Good morning, everyone. So today, this video is brought to you by Arteza, or Arteza, however you would like to pronounce it. They contacted me and asked if I would do a video with an honest review of their products. And so they sent me a pack of 24 acrylic colors and a whole bunch of canvas. They sent me a pack of 11 by 14 canvas and a pack of 8 by 10 canvas. Now, this is a new brand for me. I have heard of the name, but I have not used their colors before. So I'm really interested to see how their acrylic paint compares to other brands that I am used to using. Now, with the amount of supplies that they sent me, I will definitely be doing more than one video. I think at least 2. I may be able to get 3 or 4 with the amount of paint that I have, and obviously with the amount of canvas that they sent me. And if you're interested in checking out their products, they did provide me with an affiliate link, which I have below. It's the first link in the description of this video. If you check them out and purchase anything after you follow that link, I will receive a small percentage, which will help me in getting future supplies. They do carry a lot of different items. It's not just painting supplies. I was checking out their website, and it's pretty much any type of art supplies that you would like. One thing they don't have is a pouring medium. So for these videos, I'm going to continue to use my Sargent Art Gloss Medium. I really like that. And with one canvas, at least one canvas, I am going to add silicone and try and see how this paint works with creating cells. So I'm not going to make you all sit here and watch me mix paint, but I am going to mix up, I'm going to unpackage everything and then mix up some paint and see how it goes. So these canvas that they sent me are similar to ones that I've used before. They look like this on the back. They're stapled along the sides. They do have the areas in the corner where you can stick the other wood pieces to tighten up the canvas. They are a little loose. So what you can do, if you see there's some give in the canvas, what you can do if it's too loose is just take a bottle of water and you can spray the back of it, and then when it dries, it will really tighten up the canvas for you. So this one I'm just going to set aside, and when it dries, I will use it in another video. Okay, so this is I'm going to move this out of the way. These are all of the colors that I received in this 24 pack. I'm going to read them off. A few of these I'm really excited to try. There's a few colors in here that I really like using with other brands, so I'm excited to see. They have titanium white, lemon yellow, mid yellow, yellow ochre, orange yellow, scarlet red, burnt sienna, crimson red, rose, violet, phthalo blue, Prussian blue, which I'm very excited for. I love Prussian blue. Ultramarine, cobalt blue, cerulean, emerald green, phthalo green, Prussian green, pale green, raw sienna, raw umber, burnt umber, Mars black, and cold gray. So it's a really nice variety of colors. Like I said, I think I'll be able to get multiple videos out of this. These tubes are, let's see, 22 milliliters. It's a little under 1 full ounce. It's 0.74 fluid ounces. So with these, I'll probably use maybe 4 to 5 colors per canvas. And let's see, I'm going to pick out which ones I want to use on my first one, and we'll go from there, and I'll start mixing my paint. Okay, so for my first painting, I picked rose, violet, Prussian blue, and titanium white. And like I said, I'm going to use my Sargent Art Gloss Medium and some water to thin it down. So right off, just putting these in the cups, they are very bold and vibrant. This rose color is almost like a magenta. It's very, very nice and pink. The Prussian blue and the violet are also really beautiful. So we'll see how they look once they're all mixed together. My gloss medium is white when you pour it out, but it does dry clear and it gives it a really nice shiny finish. So it lightens up the colors a little bit in the cup so they're not as bold, but once it dries, it'll be really pretty. So one thing I like to do is mix a little bit of my own colors. This is very, very pink for me. It's like the bubblegum pink. So I'm going to darken it up a little bit. I don't want it as pink as it is, so I'm going to use some crimson red. And I can already tell you right now, a little bit of this color goes a long way. There's probably about 2/3 pink to 1/3 red, and it gave me a really nice color. It's definitely not as dark as that crimson, but it's not that bubblegum pink anymore. Okay, so I'm just going to do a dirty pour with these. And we'll see how this looks. Start off with some of the white. I'm going to go with that pink and red mixture. Some of the purple. And that Prussian blue. So one of my favorite designs to be able to do is a striation look, and I really got that with these colors right now. I really like this. So I'm going to make sure that the sides are covered, and then I'm going to let this sit for a bit, and we'll take a look once it's all dry.